Welcome back to Solving Factory. In this video, let me show you how you can fix the verification required message appearing in the App Store. So let's get started. If you have a subscription you no longer want, cancel it before updating your payment method to avoid charges. To cancel a subscription, open the App Store app and tap on your profile picture in the top right. Then tap on Subscriptions. Here you'll see your active subscriptions. Tap on the subscription you want to cancel, and then press Cancel Subscription and confirm your decision. Once you've canceled any unwanted subscription, update your payment method by going to your device settings. Tap on your name at the top and select Payment and Shipping. Tap on Add Payment Method and enter a new payment method that works. This should stop the verification required message from popping up. And there you go. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.